The following tutorial describes how to use integrated patient education materials in Canvas to visually support communication and helping patients make informed decisions with confidence. Let's begin. We are bringing new patient education material directly into DS Core to elevate communication capabilities. Bringing clarity to complex cases helps support confident decision-making, because patients often make decisions based on what they understand. That's why visual education tools are so valuable. They help translate clinical findings into meaningful conversations, supporting trust and treatment acceptance. Canvas now includes a set of pre-loaded patient education materials available to all D's Core Standard subscribers. These visuals, covering topics like preventive, endodontics, implantology, and orthodontics, can be added directly into the Canvas workspace side by side with patient images. Once added, these materials can be freely positioned, annotated, and shared, helping you personalize the conversation and support patient understanding. These tools are designed to help explain treatment options more clearly, support case acceptance through visual storytelling, and provide a consistent and professional communication experience. The education materials are stored in a dedicated section of your DS Core account, not linked to any specific patient. You can access them via the Add Media option in Canvas. While uploading your own content is not yet available in this first release, the preloaded materials can be reused across multiple patient cases. And if a material is accidentally removed from a canvas, it remains available in the library. It cannot be permanently deleted. And good to know, these materials do not count against your subscription storage limits. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new D's, core features, and functionalities. Thank you for watching.